Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz S580. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Driver's side is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Side is in good condition. Let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. Let's move on to the steering wheel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.
Thank you.